How to log in to Kubernetes Pod. So if you want to log in to Kubernetes Pod, then first of all, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that, now you can go for the search bar and search for Kubernetes Pod login. And here on the first search, you will have how to log in on kubernetes.com. You can simply click on that. And it will give you the website, or it will take you to the website. And now you can go for the upper right corner, which has that login option. Simply click on login, and here it will give you these options, right? So you can either log in with your Google account, or you can log in with your GitHub, or you can also log in with your Facebook. But if you don't want to log in with all of that, then you can also log in with your email address. So enter your email address, and then you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you can reset your password by simply clicking on forgot password, and you will have to enter the email address, and they'll send you a recovery link to your email address which you have just entered. And after simply tapping on that link, which they will send you to your mail, then you will have an option of reset password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password and then simply click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Kubernetes account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.